Mommy, you are lazy. Why, I'm not lazy. What are you saying? Your eyes are lazy. My eyes is not lazy. You know my friends abandoned me already. Like, yeah, they abandoned me already. But it's okay. Not a big deal. Not a big deal to me. Soon you will abandon me too. I will abandon you too, you know? Yeah, like that. We will abandon each other because we don't deserve each other. You deserve to get kicked. Honey, honey, it's okay. Hi, Arthur. I'm thinking of something. Hi, Yerba. I'm thinking of something that I don't. No, just laugh with me. Just laugh with me, even if you don't know. Hey, Kevin, are you okay? Honey, hi, Lakers. Hello, I love you, Chibooth. Hi, Gusto. You should laugh with me. You should sleep now, villain. So that my life will become better. Mommy, mommy. Yasi! Yasi! Halika nga dito. Ate, wag po. Dalian mo na. Gusto ko eh. Dito ka lang. Ay, gusto ko nang may kasama eh.
Takot ka ba?
Hindi. Pero gusto ko lang nandito ka. Ayaw kita mawala sa tabi
Ate,
ko.
hindi na yung gumayanas na ko. Nag-support tayo.
Ha?
Snack ko.
Ate, wag po, please. Hindi naman kita inaan. Excuse me. Lagyan mo nga ng tubig, yung ano, yung medyo malamig. Hala, hindi ka na nautusan, ah.
Malamig ka.
Hi, Steph. Get me some water.
Get me some water.
I'm thinking about... Nothing. Hi, Tobias. Hello. I'm thinking of something, but it's confidential. Hi, Scott. Hello. Hi, Tobias. How are you? What are you going to check? Mommy, mommy, it's you. Wow, like me also. I'm always great. What is it? I think of something that makes